Them man may tell us that the wickedest sons of bitches there about the place, may I tell them, man.
Nothing in the manual about it.
I just read this.
You really make me believe that the pyro better than this. Pyro have compass and great thing for the thing, you know.
These are the basic ones still enough.
You mean basic for $15 million? What kind of food is no man, because they come up. Yeah, you sit down back here, alright man. Yeah man,
so we can
think about 15. 15?
Yo!
That means I'm supposed to look at the Michelin man, right? My youth, watch, be careful, you know.
What?
Because I know you, you say Michelin man.
What is you have a partition control now?
No. Yeah, I could put the fun on joke. I say, yeah, we're going with the gearing and them thing, you know.
I have it in a long 4-wheel,
4-wheel low?
Yeah. I really need the descent control.
Well, that looks like a paddle beside the thing.
That's what I'm saying.
It's not a paddle. It's a
Button engine start.
It's a piece of iron plus. No.
Oh, my God.
Cruise control.
Oh, that's the key.
Oh, you put this as the key to the car?
Yeah, I have it in
the package. Doggone it. They say one of them inverter things to get lighter.
Yes, wet concrete, so this would not be fun driving up.
Hard out.
That was the man.